This is Franklin Community School Corporation. I'm testing on a Latitude D531 laptop. I have updated the driver for the AverMedia cam. Right now the cam is not connected, and I'm just going to play some test music to show the clarity. Okay, the music's coming through clear. I'm going to shut that down. And I am going to connect with one of my contacts via Skype without using the cam. The camera is not connected. I have that over at the side. I'm going to place an audio call.
Hello.
Hi, Melissa.
Can you hear me?
Yes. You do not have my video, is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, I have the cam disconnected, and I'm just doing an audio call with Melissa. Melissa, can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
Okay, that's good. I'm going to hang up, and I'm going to connect the cam. I will call you right back.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you. At this point, I'm taking the USB for the cam. I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to wait just a second for everything to load. The hardware is installed and ready to use. At this point, I'm going to do another audio call with Melissa.
Hello.
Hi, Melissa.
Hi.
Can you say your ABCs again?
I sure can. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M.
Okay,
N.
that's good. We're going to hang up, and I'm going to contact you via a video call this time.
All right.
Okay, with the cam connected, I'm going to do a video call.
Hello.
Hi, Melissa.
How are you?
I'm good. Can you start in with your ABCs?
Yes. A, you're frozen. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, frozen again. J, K, now you're moving. L, M, N.
My camera has just frozen. I can hear the cam trying to connect in the background, continuing to wave my hand. I've lost my video. Melissa, can you still hear me?
Yes, I can.
Now it says Skype cannot connect to my webcam. Close other applications that might be using your webcam. You could also plug your webcam into a different USB port on your computer, then restart. So I'm going to close. I'm going to end the call and call you right back.
Okay. Notice
that when the cam stopped working, my video quit. Her sound got better for me. I'm going to attempt the call again.
Hello?
Hi, Melissa.
I have your video.
Okay, I'm going to continue waving my hand. My cam has kind of jerked. It's frozen a little.
It's frozen now.
My video is continuing for me. Melissa, let me know when it picks back up for you.
It's back up. Seems like you're doing well.
Okay, it has frozen for me. I can hear the cam attempting to reconnect. Continuing to wave my hand.
Lost your video.
My video is gone. Alright, Melissa, I'm going to hang up and switch USB ports and call you again.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, I'm going to switch USB ports on the laptop. Wait just a second. Okay, I'm going to try a video call.
Hello?
Hi, Melissa.
Hi.
Okay, I've switched USB ports. My video has frozen. It's kind of coming and going. Melissa, can you go ahead with your ABCs?
Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L.
My camera has frozen. Melissa, keep talking. Your audio gets clearer when the camera freezes.
M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Notice that when the dot cam is not working, her audio gets much cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and close. I'm going to end the call. We'll try one more time, Melissa.
Okay.
At this point, I'm going to move the USB cable to one of the USB ports in the back of the laptop. Wait momentarily. I'll even close Skype and log back in. Okay, I'm going to attempt another video call with Melissa.
Hello?
Hi, Melissa.
Hello?
Going to continue waving my hand, and you just go on with the ABCs.
Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
My video has frozen, and notice Melissa's audio gets better.
Q, R, S, T.
Got a blue screen of death, and it's starting the physical memory dump. So I will end this video and attach the documentation to the file for John at AverMedia.